In exam style question 4, we have A, B, C, and D are the points on the circle. Angle ABD is 21 degree, CD is 12 centimeter. Calculate the area of the circle. Okay. Now, what we have to find is the area. To find is actually pi r square area. And in the area, r actually is the radius which we have to find, radius of the circle. And radius would be what length? Either the length OC or either the length OA. So OC equals OA equals R, which we have to find. What is this? Okay, now to find that, first we will use some circle angle properties first. We can see that AC is a diameter line. So on this side, anywhere the AC subtangent angle would be the angle of the semicircle. So in the triangle ADC, it's all the decision steps. In the triangle ADC, the angle at D will be equal to 90 degree. It's a semicircle's angle. And if we know this is 90 degree, we can find some other angle, maybe angle at A or maybe angle at C, and then use a trigonometric ratio to find OA, where, CA, where CA will be the hypotenuse of that triangle. So we need to find CA, and half of the CA would be the radius. So how do we do this? We may find this angle, and it's easy to find again that this arc AD subtends angle on the circle, the size of each angle it subtends on the circle will be same. So angle AD subtends here at B, angle they subtend at point B is 21. So at point C will also be 21. So we came to know that in the triangle ADC, which is a right angle triangle now, the angle at C is 21 degree. Adjacent to the angle, the side given is adjacent to the angle, and this is 90 degrees. So opposite is hypotenuse. So what we have to find is the hypotenuse, and adjacent to the angle is given. So we can use cos theta. Then in the next step would be cos of angle theta is the angle C, actually. Cos of C in the triangle ADC, everything we are doing, cos of C is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 12 over hypotenuse is AC or CA. And this way we will find CA, because cos of C is 21. So CA is 12 over cos of 21 degree. Make sure your calculator should be in the degrees mode, because the angles here, mostly in the circle theorems we will be dealing with, are the angles in degrees. So then we will find CA from here, and the half of CA is the radius, OA or OC. So OA or OC is the half of CA. We will find the radius from here, R's value in centimeter. Then we can use the area's formula, pi r square, to find the area. So this is a multi-step question. We are using trigonometry plus circle properties or circle theorems.